In this tutorial video we will show you how to add a new beneficiary nominee. Log in to the dashboard and navigate to Nominee. Enter the beneficiary registration number. Click on Go to validate and proceed. There are two ways to add and upload nominee documents. First, we will add and upload directly from the portal. Enter nominee name, date of birth and select the relationship. All these three are mandatory fields. Select the nominee gender. Browse and upload the nominee Aadhaar and date of birth document. Now finally click the Add button to add the nominee. The second way to add nominee is uploading the document using the mobile app. Enter the nominee details with all the mandatory fields and just add it without uploading the document. Once the nominee is added successfully, navigate to the options and click Document QR. Use this QR code to upload. Log in to the mobile app and select the nominee option and scan the required QR code to upload. Click the Scan button to capture the document. Follow the instruction as shown in the screen to scan the document. Click the Upload button to upload or sync the document to the portal. On success, a check mark will be shown. Similarly, do the same for other document also.
Once all this is done, go to the portal to verify the uploads. Click the document to preview. That's it. This is how you can add new nominee and upload documents from both portal or mobile doc scanner app. Thank you for watching the video.